What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First thing to knock off the list today is to get this thing right here turned up. So here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna pull apart our wastegate. We gotta figure out what springs are in our wastegate now. We're only hitting 33 pounds. We gotta get that turned up to like 40. So wastegate duty cycle's already cranked. Bottom line is the springs in our wastegate are not stiff enough. So let's pull apart our wastegate, figure out what springs are in there, and we're gonna put a little bit stiffer springs in that guy. So we had a 9.4 pound spring in there. We're gonna go ahead and add a yellow and a natural. These two combined would be an additional 4 PSI. So let's add all three of these guys into the wastegate and see what that gives us. Stiffer springs are in the car. We got a new tune loaded on. Let's go hit a pull, see what she does. I would say that's like an additional 5 PSI over what we were at a couple days ago. So it's definitely turned up a little bit more. We got a ways to go. It feels really, really good though. I'm super excited for this car right now. This is by far the fastest car. This thing would smoke the 10. This thing's fast. That was actually a little bit less than I thought. That was 35 pounds. So we're headed in the right direction. The last revision definitely was turned down on the wastegate duty cycle. So I'm gonna shoot these over to Chad real quick. And here in the next few minutes, I'm sure he'll get a extra spicy tune over to us and we should pretty much be finished up. If it stayed just how it was right now, I'd be stoked. But if it's got more, let's give it some more. We're gonna go ahead and stiffen up the springs in the wastegate again. So initially at the beginning of the day, we were at, I think 9 total PSI, and then we bumped it to 14. And now we're gonna go to 18 or 18.5. All right, we got the springs in, or the one super stiff spring in. We're gonna go rip it on the same revision, and it should be at least 40 PSI right off the bat. So, kind of hoping it holds together. It's a lot of boost. Let's send it. Sick. Let's see what that hit. She's getting rowdy. Looks like it's fucking fast. She's trying to party. That's probably high 30s. Yeah, that's 39 or 38 and a half. Hopefully she fucking stays together. She's gonna fucking party. Alright. 40 PSI or bust. Solid. Respectable. Yeah, that's fast. Damn. I think it was. Dude, I don't know. Fast. Come on, BB. Make more sauce than that. 39.07. You bet. Yeah, she can handle a little more sauce. 39. It ain't 40. Hard hide and shred second right there. Fucking flat footer. Bro, that was actually scary when it fucking was spinning. I bet, dude, those things were fast. All right, let's make some progress on the FRS. I found a extra PCV valve laying around the shop, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy installed, and that is gonna complete our catch can setup. All right, moving on. Let's go ahead and get the blow-off valve on and our wastegate on. I gotta make sure we don't have super stiff springs in the wastegate. It may actually say on the box. I feel like it did. Yeah, it says on the box 7 PSI fitted. So that is plenty soft enough to get this thing on the road and start tuning. It is very odd they don't include extra springs in this wastegate. I wonder why that is. We got the BOV mounted up. This line that we ran yesterday, that goes from the back of the intake manifold right by our catch cans. This guy right here is gonna connect right there. So let's trim it, get that on, get the car up in the air, get the wastegate on, and then we also have to install our MAF, which goes there, which we need to pull out. Let's just do this right now. We gotta pull out of our air box. That right there's our MAF. Let's pull that guy out and get her on right there. I have been working on getting the wastegate installed. It's been kind of a pain. I'm gonna go ahead and pop off the downpipe just so it's a little bit easier, but it looks like it's hitting right on our slim fan. So yeah, we gotta get that to fit without rubbing on the fan, of course, or else it's gonna make a lot of noise and not work too well. We got the wastegate set up with the dump tube. This guy's gonna dump right out the bottom, so it's gonna sound absolutely insane when this freaking wastegate opens. I love external dump gates. I've thought about changing the setup on that. It's an external wastegate, but it recircs back into the manifold. If that thing was an external dump, this car would be freaking loud. So that's pretty much how it's gonna sit. The wastegate is hitting on the shroud just a little bit right there. So I think I can grab a Dremel or cutoff wheel and trim that out just a little bit for the wastegate, and that should give us enough clearance, I'm hoping. And then that is how the dump tube is gonna sit. I know we didn't really do much today on the FRS. We kind of almost backtracked a little bit, pulled some stuff off. At least we got the wastegate on, but there's nothing else we can do on this car until we get some more parts in the mail. I think we're still on track for like a mid-week startup. Probably actually later week, like Thursday or Friday. But I just want to go rip the Evo. This car is so fun. I'm gonna run home, see if Bobby is down to go for a ride and see what she thinks. Maybe drive it as well.
feels way different.
Spicy.
It feels just like, yeah, spicier
It makes quite a bit more power.
than your 10.
Yeah. It's on 40 pounds. My 10's like 33, 34, maybe 35.
Yeah, this thing.
Try to do a little 1-2 rip. We gotta keep in mind this is a 6-speed. They don't handle the sauce too well. I've got spinning tire on second
We
gear.
did a little Bernie.
Just nuts,
Oh
huh?
my god.
You wanna try?
No.
What?
I'm fine.
Come on.
No, I'm good.
Let her absolutely eat.
I don't want to.
She's rowdy.
Good job, babe. This thing is a monster.
Should we turn it up more?
No.
What? Why?
Could you if you wanted to?
Yeah, we might.
Can you explain to me why you'd want to?
So instead of just like a partial burnout in second gear, we just completely blow the tires off in second gear.
And that's cool.
That's what we need.
It's kind of perfect, honestly.
It's so freaking fun.
Yeah, I really like it.
It's probably like 740-ish right now. Wheel. It
40
might.
pounds?
Yeah. It
I
might.
feel like that's a lot.
It is. We might push her up to like 45-ish.
Why? Because you want to do burnouts?
Cause it's fun. It's addicting. I don't know how this training's holding up, and that's like the clutch.
We've had some good luck with that kind of stuff, I feel like.
We love to rock stock shit.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a stock clutch, but especially when you're banging gears. Back to bang gears.
Yeah, I do.
You sure you don't want to rip?
Yeah, I'm here for the ride. God, this thing is nuts, babe.
Oh shit!
My God.
You guys grab onto my belt. So spicy. All right, let's log this thing.
This thing is like concerningly fast.
You could definitely get in trouble in this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing would walk the 10 for sure.
Oh yeah. I feel like the 10 just sounds so much
It sounds way better.
better and louder that it feels like it is more aggressive, but this thing is just like a little
let me see what that is for PSIs. I think the block is hot. Huh. Wait. Something weird is going on in these logs. It's saying I hit 60 PSI. Oh, 218 pounds right here.
What the frick? So we gotta go again?
I can't. I blew the piping off. No, rowdy. Look.
Oh, this smells like antifreeze.
Kind of does.
Mm-hmm.
Is she pushing coolant?
Definitely.
Probably lifted ahead, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of does smell like coolant. Uh-oh. Looks like it sprayed some.
It smells right in here. Yeah.
It could have been this can overflowed. Oops. General consensus, the car is fast. I need to fix the intercooler piping. And the car's fast. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.